Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion pages with a visual brand system, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Notion pages with a visual brand system, first, gather all your branding elements. This includes your logo, color palette, typography, and any relevant images or icons. Next, open your Notion workspace and select the page you want to update. If necessary, create a new page for your brand system. Start by adding your logo at the top of the page. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image file into Notion. Once the logo is in place, adjust the image size to fit your layout. Next, create a section for your color palette. Use a toggle list or a simple table to display your brand colors. For each color, add a sample swatch next to its hex code. Now, move on to your typography section. Include the fonts used in your branding, along with examples of text styles. You can use text formatting options in Notion to show different weights and sizes. Afterward, consider adding a section for icons or images that represent your brand. You can either upload these directly or link to them from an external source. For added cohesiveness, apply your brand colors to the background of headings or blocks. Utilize the color options in Notion to create a visually appealing layout. If you have brand guidelines, upload a PDF version to keep everything organized. This document can serve as a reference for your team. Consider adding callout blocks for key points or important information throughout the page. These blocks can include visual elements that align with your brand aesthetics. Finally, review the entire page to ensure consistency across all elements. Make necessary adjustments to align with your overall branding. Once satisfied, publish your updated page for your team or audience to view. Regularly revisit and update this page as your brand evolves. Maintaining an updated visual brand system in Notion helps streamline your projects and ensures brand consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.